Hello there, guys and gals. Good midnight to each every one of you. Take a look. There's another dead little snake here in our village. I know this is some kind of poisonous and dangerous and harmful, but still, they shouldn't kill a creatures like this. What I'm trying to say is, they don't deserve to have this kind of death. So I'm gonna transfer you, okay? Before you turn into a crumbled beef or ground pork. Oh gosh, hold on. I'm so sorry. Some kind of sticky. Please bear for those who are eating right now, okay? Mm, so sad what happened to you. So rest in peace.